guys, it is Sunday of peak week, so 5 days more to go. I just woke up, weighed myself, did some posing, so I sent over all of those check-ins to Nick, and he's thinking we're gonna do a 0 carb day today. So this will be the first day of hard depletion for peak week, get my body as dry and as empty as possible before we fill up into the show. So yeah, I sent those over. I am up in weight, which is to be expected since I had so many extra carbs yesterday, but we were 118.7 this morning, but right on track, filling out, and then we're gonna deplete hard these next few days and then fill out with carbs again before the show. So he told me to do a 30-minute morning walk outside this morning just to get my digestion going, but it's not real cardio. And then he told me my first meal, so I'm gonna prep that. I'm doing 2 eggs, asparagus, and protein isolate. So I'm going to go on my morning walk and then I'm going to prep that meal and eat that. And he just sent me over the plan for meal 1, and then we're just gonna see how I feel, and that's how he's gonna write the rest of the plan. So still deciding if it's gonna be a rest day or not. Just gonna take it as it comes and see how we're doing. Nick got back to me earlier with the plan for the rest of the day, and we are pulling out carbs today besides the pre-meal and post-meal. So I lied, yesterday was not our last lift to failure. Nick told me today we're gonna lift again, so I'm gonna lift again with him today. Hard workout to failure, but we're doing upper body. So yesterday was probably the last leg day before we get into just pump up workouts during peak week. But yeah, so today is the first day of real depletion. Carbs are pulled out, food's a lot lower. So I just ate my second meal, which I forgot to take a video, but it was the 96% lean beef and some asparagus. And then I threw a little bit of cinnamon on there, again, just to boost insulin sensitivity. Doing that with every meal, still a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt with every meal. So basically everything is just getting dialed in. We're keeping everything as consistent as it can be. Also today, cardio was pulled out. Just a 10-minute walk after each meal just to boost digestion and everything. So, and I started off the day with that 30-minute walk. So I just ate meal 2, and I was running low on a couple things. So I headed to Publix, and I'm just gonna get my 10-minute walk around Publix. Got the groceries. I just needed rice cakes, so I got like a whole bunch of rice cakes because I figured I'm gonna have a lot of these during peak week once we start carbing up and on show day. So I was like, yeah, they're like $2 a bag. I just got like 3 of them. I'm gonna eat them eventually. And then I just needed onion and garlic powder, so I just got like big huge ones of this, which will probably be gone in like a week or 2 because me and Emily run through our seasonings so quickly. But yeah, so I needed to get that 10-minute walk in, and by the time I was done getting my groceries, because it was like 3 things, it had only been 5 minutes, so I was just walking up and down the aisles. I was just observing all the good food and all the options of food that there are out there. But yeah, soon enough. I'm about to head to ReinventU, get this lift in, upper body, get a little fit check. Old sports bra, I don't know where it's from, and bottoms from Violate the Dress Code. I love the little crossy waist, so cute. So I just finished all my meals. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of peak week. I'll have another episode out for you guys later in the week showing you the end of peak week, and then we'll have a show day vlog to wrap up this prep series. So follow my Instagrams, give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.